Hi, my name is Nikhil, and here I am doing the problem React dropdown. The problem says create a simple dropdown component according to the image. It says that on hovering of the button, show the dropdown items. It should receive the items array to display the items in the list, and on click of an option in dropdown list, close the dropdown. So this is the problem, and here this is my folder structure. I have named the project as React dropdown, and inside it there are few other folders. I'm directly jumping to the source folder. Here inside source folder we have index.js file, and inside index.js file I am rendering the app component, and inside app component I am rendering the dropdown component. Here I have imported the dropdown component from the relevant folder, and here I have created the component folder. Inside component folder I have one more dropdown folder, and inside dropdown folder I have the dropdown component. And for the dropdown component, the css file I have attached inside the same folder only, and then I have imported it in dropdown.js file. As the problem says, so what we have done, we have created an items array, and inside items array I am taking yes and probably not, which are strings basically, and also I have commented that what I am doing over here, and then I am using use state to monitor the mouse event is open and set is open. Initially I'm making it as false, and then after while selecting the list item I am using selected item and set selected item, and using use state only, and initially I'm keeping it as null. Directly jumping to the code, so here I have kept an outer div, and after that I have used a heading which basically telling should you use a drop down or not. And inside it I am again using a div, and inside div I have created a button. Inside this button the text I am showing, this is basically a conditional rendering I am doing. So if the selected item is there, so basically it will be there, and if it is not, select will be executed, and we can see select over there. So this is the conditional rendering I have done there, and after that there is a inner div, and inside inner div we are mapping the items array, and this is also conditional mapping, like only if each open is true, then only we can see these items, otherwise we won't be able to see. Basically we are monitoring the list. And how it is being managed, so the outer div is having two mouse event. What it is telling, on mouse enter and on mouse leave, we are basically having two events to monitor these events. So once we are taking our mouse inside that div, this is open will be turned to be true, and if I move it from that div, it will be turned to be false. So that is how we are monitoring that event. So depending upon that condition, these map item will be there, and we will be able to see our drop down list. And inside drop down list, now I have mapped it, and depending upon that item I will be showing it inside the div part only. And what I am doing, on click of this list item, what I will be doing, I will be handling it with an event, sending an item with an argument. Here you can see that handle select is a function taking an item is the taking an item as a in form of argument. And here what I am doing, I am selected item, I am turning it to the item, I am turning it to the item, and then what I am doing, I am turning that set is open to be false. So once we select that list item, like we won't be able to see the list. So this is how my code look like. What I will do, I will just show you the demo part, that how I have created the so this is my code. Once I'm hovering over it, I can see the list, and if I'm selecting it, I can see that it is gone, and if I again select it, it is gone. So this is all about my code. Thank you.